The 2003 Ford F-250. This is a pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This rear-wheel drive pickup truck is well equipped. This Ford features dual front airbags, towing package, and tilt wheel. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, and premium sound. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.